Installing the Flex Power Roller Conversion Kit for the Model 445 pneumatic nailer. Begin by removing any nails from the nail channel. Mount the nailer upside down in a padded vise. Using a 3/16 Allen wrench, loosen the 4 hex screws with lock washers from the base of the existing nailer foot. Lift the whole foot and channel off the nailer. Remove the 4 1¼ hex screws from the foot and save for reinstallation. You are now ready to install the conversion kit. Using pliers, pull the drive blade assembly to the top of the nailer. Install the nail channel into position over the drive blade. Line up the drive blade with the opening in the nail channel. Slide the flex foot sideways onto the nailer and nail channel. Line up the 4 screw holes for each component: the foot, nail channel, and nailer body. Replace and tighten the 4 1¼ hex screws with lock washers using the 3/16 hex Allen wrench. The nailer is now ready for functional testing.